Hello, I am Laura Krukell, owner of Where Words Are Art, and this is a chocolate chip cookie. Divine, inspiring, delectably sweet, my most favorite treat in the entire world. I have never found anything that compared until I attended Joe Dibley's Frockalicious by Design in Vancouver. Amazing speakers, lots of laughs, deep inspiration, all wrapped up in genuine warmth and support for one another's personal journeys. This is about living the life of our dreams, how to let go of the past, how to stop listening to that voice in our head that wants us to stay small, how to truly love and honor our own unique selves, how to live our most inspired life. So, when you get the chance to attend Joe Dibley's Frockalicious by Design, absolutely say yes. And bring some chocolate chip cookies to share.